Hey guys, let's wax my armpits. First, we're going to clean the area with some witch hazel, better than alcohol because it's not drying. Then we're going to dry the areas with some powder and put kind of a little barrier between the skin and wax so it can adhere to all the hair. It is so hard to do this in the camera and not be able to look, but that strip came out pretty nice. If I do say so myself, make sure it's dry. This wax dries so fast, you guys. I love it. I love it. Then I did the cleanup off of camera because it was just a mess. Now we're going to do the other side, add some powder. I broke a bit of a sweat. And then I'm going to apply more wax off of camera because I was struggling with my left hand. It was just a mess. Then I slipped, like, just terrible. Self-torture. Then we're going to do my little cleanup to get the last little stragglers that didn't get the hint the first time that it's eviction time. Gots to go, my boy. Got a little bit on my nail. Those are the easiest, but yeah, then we're going to do some oil. Keep the area nice and clean and smooth and moisturized. Look at some strip action. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time.